Hey y'all, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Peyton. This fall I will be a sophomore at the University of Mississippi and I like to make videos. Okay y'all, so I just ordered some clothes from that Shein, I don't know how to pronounce it, and I've never ordered from there before, so like I'm so excited. I got a bunch of really cute stuff. So my package just came in and I have been waiting so long. Well, okay, not really that long because I ordered them like a week ago. So I'm gonna do a little try on haul. It's gonna be my very first one. I'm really excited. I'll do that when I get home. While I'm at a red light, shout out to Lindy Goodson for the hair inspo. I watched her little faux blowout hair tutorial and I'm just saying, I love it. It's not like curls, so they're not like a lot. But for now, just driving in my car to get ice cream and anticipating opening my package. It's just sitting right there in the passenger seat. She is in all her glory. My beautiful Shein package. I'm about to let my dog out. Hello, Rebel. Hello. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hello. Let's go potty. Come on. Oh, he sees the camera. He wants to be on camera. I don't know. Anyway, so I have my package right here, and I'm ready to start pulling stuff out and showing you. Look at this. Hey, kitty. She just, okay, anyway. Obviously, they're coming straight out of the package. They haven't been steamed yet, so I'm sorry if they're wrinkled. But yeah, so we're gonna rip this baby open. Pause. Okay, so I forgot to say this in my intro, but I'm gonna link all these pieces down in my description, so if you like any of them, they'll be easier for you to find. And yeah, continue. Smells really gross. That's a smell. Okay, what to show first? Oh, they came in like little Ziploc bags. I don't have a ring light or anything, so I have to use natural lighting. So I'm using a window, which isn't always the best, but okay, so this first one is a dress that I ordered for my date party that I have right when I get back to school. And we have a date party right off the bat. Here's the front. So it has a ruffle on the top, in the middle, and at the bottom. It's pink. I like the ruffles. I think they're super cute. This dress is so comfortable and I really love it. I'm so excited to wear this actually. So there's dress number one. Cool, I got two dresses. So I'll go ahead and show the other dress, which is also in a Ziploc bag. So it's a baby doll dress. It's just flowy and has these cute little ruffle sleeves. This is really cute. Yeah. I was a little worried about how this dress was gonna fit me because typically these style of dresses don't fit my body really well. It's so cute and it fits me just the way I wanted it to, so I'm so happy about this. It's not the same color that it was in the picture, but it's very similar. Like in the picture it looked more blue. This is more like green. But it's still really cute. Okay, this one is a white crop top. It's cinched. So this is my top. It's white and it's cinched. It has these ruffle straps. That'll be really cute. Top's really cute. It's a little bit tighter than I expected, but I'm sure it'll stretch out the more I wear it. But yeah. We'll see. Next, I love it. Okay, this one I really like. It's It's more of a t-shirt, but it's like the back's open. Kahoot music. Why am I so cringy? Okay. See, it's more of a t-shirt, so it's plain white, and then in the back it has these bows. I don't know why I did my arm like that. Okay. It has these red bows. They have white polka dots on them, and it's completely open back. Like there's nothing. I really like this top. It's really cute, really soft. It's so cute, and it's really casual, but then in the back it's like a little surprise. It's really nice. It's really stretchy, so that's nice. And then it's just so cute and comfy, and I love this. I like the bows. It just adds a little accent. And then I got a pair of shorts. These are also cinched at the waist. They have like a double button, and these are super cute. I'm liking these. Hopefully they look good on me too. I love these shorts. They're so cute and comfy, and they're not like too tight. The top part, like the waist, is very stretchy and comfortable. The buttons I think are super cute, and it has belt loops, so that's nice if you want to put like a cute little dainty belt on it or something. The pockets are really deep, so that's cool too. Now, that's all my clothes, but I got a brown belt too because I need a belt for recruitment, and this one's really cute. It's just oh, it stinks. So it's just a brown belt. It has this cute little, these circles on it. Ow, that hurt. Okay, there we go. That's what it looks like. So cute. This is not what I thought it was. Okay, it's a little choker with stars and rhinestones on them. I thought it just had stars on it, but that's so cute. I've always wanted a little anklet for my ankle, and I bought one. Oh my god, this is so cute. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's so cute. Okay. That was a good purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe if that's what you want to do. I would really appreciate it. And I will see y'all next week.